excited for Colombia.
Yay!
Yay. Finally sailing.
And your first sail, Simone.
Yes, it's gonna be amazing.
Good morning.
Morning.
How has the sailing been? 2 days on the ocean?
It's awesome. I love it.
No!
When is the next flight going home, Simone? Tomorrow! You don't like the sailing that much, do you?
No. I hate it.
Yeah, you haven't had a great first start. It's been quite rough on the sea.
No.
You've been burned so much.
I like it though. I think it's fun when the sea is rough.
Yeah. Have you been able to sleep anything?
No.
Yeah.
Did you wake up flying into each other now?
Yes.
Yeah. Same for us.
Yeah, we did.
Tell me, can you hear me now? Can you hear me crying out like an animal out in the wild? I shout your name into the night. Tell me, can you feel it too?
So we're just arriving to Santa Marta, Colombia. Looks like an awesome city. It's been quite a bumpy ride on the way in, but now it's super calm. So today you're moving out.
Yes, I am. I'm moving into a hotel.
Aircon, pool,
I'm so excited.
shower.
Yeah, it's gonna be so nice to have a little bit of luxury.
How long have your journey been with the Constellation?
It's been 2 months, but it feels like 6.
How have you felt about the sailing and living on a boat?
A lot of mixed emotions. Some parts I like, but mostly I don't think it's for me so much. But yeah, I like to be able to travel and see a lot of different countries. But like the boat life and not be able to sleep because of the waves hasn't been like something that I like so much.
So what's up now? What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna travel with my sister. Sisters in Paradise.
Gonna try to backpack?
Yeah, we're gonna try. But first, just a week of relaxation and enjoy the hotel, and then we're gonna backpack around, staying on hostels, hitchhiking maybe.
So today I'm moving out from Constellation. I've been on the boat, living on the boat for 7, almost 8 months. I've traveled from Croatia, Split in Croatia, all the way down here to Santa Marta in Colombia. I think it's been like 6,500 nautical miles. But the journey ends here for us. And yeah, as my sister said, we're gonna try to backpack around Colombia, maybe go our way up to Mexico eventually. So it's gonna be fun, but we have too much stuff. We have like 2 surfboards, wetsuits. This is just a small part of our stuff. So first we need to take a shower and then sort out our packing to send some stuff home. But eventually I will buy my own sailboat. I've loved traveling by sailboat.
No seasickness?
Lots of seasickness, but I mean, you have to take some bad things with the good stuff. But I mean, since we came to Caribbean, I think it's only one journey I've been seasick, and that was a really rough anchorage for one night. So, not too bad since we crossed the Atlantic at least.
We just want to say thank you to Björn and sailing Constellation for the trip. It's been an adventure.
Yeah, it's been amazing, and all the fans as well on YouTube. I mean, it's been so much fun to read all your comments and yeah, everything. It's been amazing.
It has.
Can't thank everyone enough. How do you feel that the girls are leaving?
Well,
Are you sad that we're leaving? Relief?
you're gonna to leave? You're going to leave? No, it's gonna be boring.
You're gonna miss us?
Yeah.
Yay! We're gonna miss you too as well, Frank. It's been amazing traveling with you. Even though you're cranky and lazy Frank sometimes, but
Yeah.
you're the amazing Frank as well.
Amazing Frank.
Yeah.
Walking in the forest.
And we still have 1 week at the same place. I'm pretty sure we're gonna hang out some more.
I think that too.
de på sig igen.
All right, so
Take a photo or video.
we're learning these beautiful Spanish women to talk Swedish.
Hej!
Hej,
Hej! Hej! Hej!
Hi.
hur mår du?
Hej!
Hur mår du?
Sebastian?
No. Otra vez, por favor.
Okay, like here. Persona.
Yeah? Ah, me? Hola.
Repeat after me.
Okay.
Hola, nenas.
Hola, ninas.
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Ahora soy colombiano.
Ahora soy colombiana.
Amo Colombia.
Amo Colombia.
Du sa att det var colombianska.
I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike.
Yeah.
And we're calling for you, I'm calling for you. Calling for you, calling for you, calling for you. Calling for you, calling for you, calling for you. Tell, can you hear me now? Can you hear me crying out like an animal out in the wild? I shout your name into the night. Tell me, can you feel it too? Feel the love just like I do. Only you can make it right. I shout your name into the night. And we're calling for you, calling for you. 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 Calling for you.
So what have we done now? We just left Santa Marta and we are on our way to Cartagena. We left at 4:50 this morning. We had a beautiful sunrise. Had some breakfast at 3 p.m. Yeah, that's about it. It's been a good day. So far, so good.
Okay guys, so this was everything for this season. Now we're heading back to Sweden. We put Constellation on dry land and made her tidy and beautiful. So we're heading back home. Gonna work some, gonna do some with the companies there and sort everything out. So thank you guys for watching and have an awesome time. Cheers guys.